Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by opening Maps on your Apple Watch or setting the route on your paired iPhone. This gives the watch the destination and turn-by-turn data. Tap directions and pick walking, driving, or transit so the watch uses the right cues and haptics. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are enabled on both devices. This maintains a live connection and accurate GPS. Once done, raise your wrist and glance at the route overview to confirm the first turn before you move. You follow the route by watching the watch face for upcoming turns and remaining distance, because visual cues are concise and reduce distraction. Use haptic alerts to feel a left or right turn, and if enabled, voice guidance through your iPhone or AirPods for clearer directions. If the map drifts or you miss a turn, press the screen to recenter or tap the options to choose an alternate route. This recalculates quickly so you stay on track without pulling out your phone. You complete navigation by tapping End on the watch or stopping directions on the paired iPhone, which clears turn alerts and conserves battery. If the watch shows the wrong position or loses route guidance, toggle location services, restart the watch, or briefly disconnect and reconnect Bluetooth to reset the link. This often restores accurate GPS quickly. Make sure Watch OS and Maps are up to date, so you get the newest routing improvements.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.